Have you ever opened YouTube Studio and noticed this little spark icon and wondered, what does it do? Don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful hidden AI tool called the Inspiration tab, a new feature in YouTube which can help you to generate video titles, video ideas, the script, thumbnails, such that you will just gather all this to come up with your new viral video. And trust me, this tool can save a lot of creators hours of brainstorming. Let's jump into Inspiration tab. So here we are going to do it in different steps. And step 1, we are going to open our YouTube Studio on our computer, but we've already signed into YouTube. So what are we going to do next? We are going to click on our channel on the right hand side. Then we see the different content which is there and select YouTube Studio. So when we click on YouTube Studio, they redirect us to the channel dashboard, and below the channel dashboard there is content, analytics, community languages, and so on and so forth, together with the latest video performance and the creator inside. So we are going to move up to the top menu tabs. You're seeing where there is studio, the search box, the hub, and where you're seeing Ask Studio. So we are going to click here on Ask Studio. This is our Inspiration tab that we've been talking about. Step 2, they are telling us that here we are able to ask the studio for help, summarize comments, suggest new video ideas, as well as summarizing the channel performance and the next suggestions. Also, you can create a content plan, understanding your channel and community, summarizing the channel's performance, summarizing the viewers' feedback, what topics are my viewers into, and how did viewers find my content. Can as well know how many new viewers did I add or reach. Engaging in the community. Draft an engaging community post. Also, I'm able to know the top viewers' questions. That is in the suggestion library, as you can see. So we go back to the chart. And step 3, we are going to try to generate our title using the Inspiration tab. So I can say, for instance, that I want you to help me generate a title with a nice hook on how to use Claude AI tool. Then after, I click on send. So it's now reviewing my request. So they are showing me my title, which is Stop Using AI the Wrong Way, Mastering Claude for Ultimate Productivity. And also it has generated for me different hooks. The first one, the stop hook, consistent with your style, is saying stop wasting time on ChatGPT. Why Claude AI is better than why Claude AI is actually better. Second, the secret weapon hook. The secret AI tool no one is talking about. Claude AI Master Class. And so on and so forth. So those are title hooks. We move to step 4. Step 4, we are going to customize the suggestions. But remember, you shouldn't just copy everything the way you see it. But instead, you can change the title slightly and add your personality, improve the thumbnail, for instance, and add your own storytelling line. You add your own storytelling style. You have to use AI as inspiration, not as a replacement for creativity. So, in our step 5, we are going to turn the idea into a real video. And once you have found a good idea, you now have to write your script. Then you record a video, design a thumbnail, and upload your video. This inspiration tab helps you start faster, but your creativity is what matters most for your viewers to subscribe. So that is it. And if you found the inspiration tab, so that's how the YouTube Studio Spark icon works. The inspiration tab is basically YouTube's built-in AI assistant for creators. So that's how the YouTube Studio Spark icon works. The inspiration tab is basically YouTube's built-in AI assistant for creators. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Have you tried the inspiration tab yet? Let's meet in the next video.